Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to insert hyperlinks on your documents on Microsoft Office Word. So the first step that you have to do is to open your Word document. After that, all you have is to follow these simple steps. The first thing is to go to the ribbon here and we will go to the insert menu. Here we will find too many sections here, but we are interested in links because we want a hyperlink feature. Here we will find in these choices, we will find the link button here. We will click on it, and as you can see, it will pop up insert hyperlink window. As you can see, we can link this document to either existing file or web pages or uh, do it here in document. So it will just link it the document or we will create something new. And we can also have email addresses here. But in this example, we will just do this first option and let's just create an address with an existing folder here. As you can see, it will uh, automatically create hyperlink. If we want to access to this link, all we have is to click Control and click with left uh, mouse button, and as you can see, it will just demand an access or permission, and we will click yes. As you can see, it takes us to the same folder. Let's try it with page web. Uh, Also, we can uh, text to display, we can change it so it won't just show the address as it is. We can just do name. Let's just name our link to website as an example. In here, it's just add an address. Let's do it like this. As you can see, in here the display has changed, and we can just click Control and the click with the mouse. And I think uh, we should edit the hyperlink here. I think that we need to add the www. Yes, as you can see, it will add the other protocols. Now we can access to Google Chrome or the Google website as shown here. So this is how you add your hyperlink on your documents. Thank you for watching and goodbye.